Welcome back to Brooke and Jake Make, where I'm not Brooke.
And I'm not Jake.
We are finally in the garage, as you can tell from the last video, and ready to build.
Yeah.
But we're not very feeling like we're capable of building. So we want to start off small again and get our basics back down and work it up.
Ease ourselves into it.
So what's the best way to do that?
Making signs.
Yeah. So, we both have, well, let me rephrase that. She has one idea and has fleshed out her idea and knows what she's doing, right?
Mm-hmm. I have to do some tests to make sure that it'll work, but generally I know what I'm going for.
I have known about this project for at least 4 weeks. And yeah, I have a piece of wood that we have had here. And I'll find something to put on it.
It's about as far as he's gotten. I have literally no information on what he's doing. And it's not supposed to be a surprise.
No, it's not. So while she gets started cutting and doing what she needs to do, I'm gonna do some Google and see what I can find. And we'll come up with an idea by the time her stain dries.
Okay, so while Jacob Googles, I am going to cut my wood and then stain it. And once the stain is dry, I'll actually get into the good stuff. So for now, I'm gonna mark where I need it. I bought a 16 by 36 inch board. That's like a bunch of boards glued together. I kind of cheated to save us a little bit of time. And I want it to be down to 2 feet. So I'm gonna cut it there and then we'll go from there. Enjoy this quick little montage. Okay, so now that I have my piece of wood stained and cut to the size that I want, I am going to get into the actual good part of making the sign. So my plan is to do a vignette kind of style by burning the wood. So my first step is to trace out the vignette circle, and yes, this is a child spinner. Then once I have my vignette traced out, I will write my letters in first within this spinner circle basically. And after I get my letters written down, I will do all the burning.
I have a quote. The jungle knows not what it sees when it walks by itself.
That's not the quote.
The jungle is dark and sometimes I travel there.
Also not the quote.
People get lost in the jungle every day.
There you go.
And I want to add a palm tree or a jungle tree or a jungle leaf because it's a jungle quote. And rather than paint everything, I want to try to add character to the sign by carving a tree in. So I'm gonna draw a tree and then I'm gonna cut it. So let's watch my drawing skills, and that should tell you how good my cutting skills might be.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, so now our signs are done and sealed and everything, and now it's time for the final reveal of how they look. Ready?
Bada bing, bada boom.
Boom! I mean, I'm pretty happy with them. I think they look pretty cool. They're both very different.
Definitely, they're both very different. Size, shape, kind of the route we took. I like that yours has the pop of color with the white in it. That also, like, your what is that called? Vignette?
Yeah, the vignette.
Your burnt in vignette like makes the white pop even more.
Yeah, I like that yours has the pop of color too, the like yellow in it.
Yeah.
But I really like the palm tree.
I really like the palm tree.
Yeah.
I'm sad that it broke. For those that know,
But
they know.
honestly, you like can't really tell at this point.
Yeah, if you're not looking for it, you won't see it
You won't
for
be able to
sure.
tell.
I do have plenty of space to where I could have come back and carved it in and got
Probably.
rid of this blank space and that paint. But I think I like how it
it's-
turned out.
Yeah, I like how it turned out. I like that we both chose Disney quotes in spirit of our trip to Disney World that we had.
Which was spectacular.
It was a blast. We hope you guys like this video. Let us know if you guys want to see anything else for us to make. And my words are horrible.
Yeah. Both of us are struggling just a little bit
It's been
today.
a long time since we really filmed.
Yeah. But looking at these signs
They make us happy. So remember to do something that makes yourself happy every single
day.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Okay, bye.